Welcome to the Factory Cat TR Sweeper video number 1 of a 3-part video series. The goal of this video is to give you, the operator, a detailed understanding of how to unbox and set up your Factory Cat TR Rider Sweeper. Before creating your Factory Cat TR Sweeper, it is important to inspect the shipping container for any type of damage that may have been caused during shipping. If damage is noticed, contact your carrier immediately. Once your shipping crate has passed inspection, remove the staples that hold the cardboard to the skid as demonstrated here. Once completed, gently lift the cardboard box off the skid as shown and dispose of properly. Next, remove the shrink rack from the sweeper as shown here. Using a band cutter, cut the band iron that holds the sweeper to the skid, as shown, and dispose of the band iron properly. Next, removing a crowbar and/or hammer assembly, remove the blocking material that holds the rear wheels in place on both rear wheels of your TR sweeper. Your Factory Cat TR Rider Sweeper is also held in place with 2 front mount hardware assemblies that are mounted to the skid as shown. Using a 7/16 inch wrench, remove the hardware holding the sweeper to the skid. Located on the steering wheel assembly is a green quality control tag. This tag is used as a reminder that your Factory Cat riding sweeper has been thoroughly inspected and tested for proper operation and quality control before shipment to your facility. Also, located on the steering wheel is a secondary set of keys. Remove these keys accordingly and store them in a safe place once they are removed. Located at the rear of the skid is a fold-down ramp. Lay the ramp back and ensure that it is securely mounted in place on the skid as shown here. Next, sit in the operator's seat and turn the power-up key to the on position. The LED battery level indicator will light. Next, place the toggle switch in the reverse position, as demonstrated here. Next, gently depress the motion pedal as shown, with the machine in the reverse position, and slowly drive the TR off the skid, as demonstrated here. Once complete, dispose of the skid properly. Once the machine has been removed from the skid, open the TR's lid to gain access to the battery pack. Check each battery terminal to ensure that all terminals are tight. Next, check all battery cells for proper water level as demonstrated by the picture above. Always use distilled water when topping off the battery cells in deep cycle lead acid batteries. Note, always wear proper safety protection whenever working with lead acid deep cycle batteries. Your Factory Cat Rider Sweeper is equipped with an onboard battery charger. It is important to fully charge your batteries before your first sweeping operation. Simply plug a properly rated extension cord into the short charger plug as demonstrated here. Your charger is fully automatic and will automatically turn off when your batteries are fully charged. Note, please reference your Factory Cat TR's operations manual for more detailed information about battery charging procedures. At this point, continue to the Factory Cat TR Rider Sweeper video number 2 of a 3-part video series.